Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Actually, it's been a long I have not posted any videos due to some personal issues. But from now onwards, I'll share all my travel experiences with you guys. Recently, last month, I have been to Chilika. As we all know, in winter season, many migratory birds come to Chilika. But this time we are not able to see any birds in Chilika Lake, and there are also some restrictions to go to Nalvan. So we have decided to visit Mangaljodi, which is an old village under Tangi in Khorda district, which is at the northern edge of Chilika Lake. Which is also known as a birding destination. We can visit to Mangaljodi from November to March, but January and February are the peak months. That time we can see different types of migratory and also different types of resident birds in Mangaljodi. So let's enjoy the view and the boat ride. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.